What's good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's Payton, and today I'm back with another video bringing y'all this bomb hair review for this wig that I received from Amanda Hair. This wig is the truth, y'all. It's 30 inches. You could do so many different styles to it, and I'm really excited to bring y'all this video. So let's go ahead and get started. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe before we hop in, and yeah, let's get into it.
You know what I really hate? But y'all not listening to the conversation. I don't know, it just felt like so satisfying.
Starting off with the unboxing, this is how the box came. I'm not gonna lie, it was a little beat up, but it's okay. The wig was fine, everything inside the box was fine, and this is how the wig looked on the inside. This wig came with some lashes, it came with a wide tooth comb, it also came with some mesh HD wig caps, and it came with a info card with some information on how to get more deals and discounts. It came with some powder puffs and an elastic band headband, and these powder puffs are so cute. They're little hearts, and this is an elastic band headband to lay the lace down even better. And yeah, I like the color. And then they also sent a silk satin bag for storage purposes for the wig. So the special thing about this wig is that it actually comes with curls in it already. So truthfully, you can take this wig out of the box and it already has curls. This is also a frontal wig. I wanted to show you guys that it features lace parting space from ear to ear. It has multiple clips, an adjustable strap, an elastic band, and I believe there's 4 or 5 clips on the inside. This is what the wig looks like at the top. It looks really good, and yeah, the hair was so soft and pretty. And like I said, this is a 30-inch wig, super duper long, super duper full. You get 13x4 lace space on the unit, so there's so much space for different hairstyles. If you want to do a half up, half down, if you want to do a flip over, a side part, a middle part, is super easy. Now let's get into the install. So I did do my bald cap method as the foundation for this. I used the ones that they sent, and this is how the wig looks straight out of the box. I just wanted to show you guys how the curls looked and how the lace looked. This is definitely 100% transparent HD lace. I really like that, and I felt like it melted straight into my scalp. I did just end up cutting around the ears for each side of the wig, and then I used this Bomb Baby. I'm sorry, this bottle looks really crazy, but I got it from TikTok shop. I'm almost out. This is honestly some of the best glue. I did 1 layer of that, and then I used my blow dryer on the cool setting, and I blow dried it for about 30 seconds, and then I did another layer. So I did 2 layers on each side, and then I used my blow dryer on medium setting for about 30 to 40 seconds, and then I just applied the lace down with my fingertips, and I also used like a rat tail comb to press it down even more, and then I just repeated that on the other side. So I'm gonna let you guys watch and see how melted it gets after this. So after this, I just take the elastic band headband and I put it around the lace, and then I took this BioSilk Silk Therapy oil and I applied it to the hair. I was told there's like a different routine to get your hair looking really good. Is it oil and then heat protectant, or heat protectant then oil? I don't know, but let me know in the comments down below. I put some oil in the hair, and then after that I took off the elastic band headband and I cut the lace off. It's pretty easy. I just cut as close as I could to the perimeter, and then I use a little bit of that Eben Lace Wonder spray on top, and after that I just let that air dry, and I use my pressing comb to basically get the roots of the around the perimeter looking as flat as possible so it can look like it's coming straight out of my scalp. Then I use my Renutrients slick stick, and I took that wax and I put it at the top of my head, and then I also went back in with my pressing comb, and then I just started to press that down even more so it could lay super duper flat, and I think it really did. I honestly loved how this came out. I went ahead and I took that rat tail comb that they sent with the wig, and I brushed the curls out, and then I took my 2-3 curling iron. I believe this is the 1/2 inch or 1 inch. I'll link it in the description box down below in my Amazon storefront, but I took that and I just added some more curls in my head. I forgot to mention that this wig, it does come slightly layered. I cut a little bit more layers in it, but there is like a curtain bang type of cut for it. It's kind of confusing because it's not like super duper layered. It's like halfway layered, but you can go in. I went in with like a little hair trimmer, and I basically just cut more layers into the wig so that it could give me that nice curtain bang look and just sit in a very like more flattering way to shape my face, if that makes sense, y'all. It's not that hard. I'll also link the hair trimmer that I use down below. I also got it from Amazon as well. Here I am. I just started working on the edges. I did end up cutting them pretty short with this little hair trimmer, and then, well, that's a hair razor, not a hair trimmer, but I used that to get my edges really like thick but short. I don't know how to even describe that, but I wanted big edges. I don't know why. I haven't wore a frontal wig in so long, so I kind of was trying to make it look like how I used to make my frontal wigs look, because I've just been so used to the lace closure wigs. But yeah, no, this wig is bomb because it's 30 inches. I ain't gonna hold you, like I couldn't say no to this, because 30 inches, it just make you feel like a bad bitch no matter what. Okay, like come on now. And it's super thick and it has layers in it. I really do like how this hair came out, how the curls came out. This look ate so much. But yeah, so after I finished doing my baby hair, my edges, I just took my pressing comb, made it look even more flat around the perimeter, and this was basically how it ended up coming out. Oh my goodness, y'all, look at that volume, look at that density, look at those curls. I honestly did not curl this hair that much, so this is what the natural curls on the wig look like. They did end up dropping a little bit more, but I wanted to spruce them up a little, so I went back in with my T3 curling iron and I kind of just curled. I didn't really curl that much of the hair, like I'm not gonna hold you. This probably took me like 5 minutes to add just a little more curls, and then I was just trying to comb them out as I went. But I felt like this looked so bomb. When it dropped, it looked even better. But this is how my edges and my baby hair came out. I did do some at the tip top of my head to give it a little bit more of a natural look. And yeah, this I don't know if I like this style more or the next style that I'm about to show y'all more, but make sure y'all comment down below, because I wanted to show you guys the two different ways that I styled this wig. The first way was with some curls and the second way was with some crimps. Either way, I honestly feel like this wig was already giving me 10 out of 10 vibes with the density, with the length, and with the hairline and the lace. Look at that 30 inches. It went all the way down to under my cheeks, stretched out. So the next style I'm going to show you guys was me crimping this hair. So I ended up doing two braids, like two French braids, and when I did that, I let it sit for like 2 days, and it put like this crimp looking effect in the hair. And then I went ahead and I took my actual crimper and I put more crimps in the hair. The braids help so that I don't have to crimp all of the hair, because this wig does have a lot of hair on it, so I feel like this just kind of made it easier. But at the same time, this was still pretty quick. I didn't crimp the whole thing, but it ended up looking like I did because of the braids. So I would recommend doing the French braids if you can, and then sleeping in that for like a night or 2 nights and taking it out and putting more crimps in the hair so that it just looks really good and really natural. This is how it ended up coming out. I really do like how this looks. It kind of looks like a step from Water Wave. I love crimps. I just get really lazy doing them because it usually takes long. So hopefully y'all try this hack and y'all enjoy it, because I felt like this looks so bomb. I got so many compliments on this hair, the length, the styling, curled or crimped. Let me know which one y'all are liking more. I definitely give this wig a 10 out of 10. It looks so good to me. Lace looks good, baby hair looks good, hair quality is T. Okay, but yeah, y'all, I love this hair. Shout out to Amanda Hair. Thank y'all for sending me this bomb ass wig. Make sure y'all click the link in the description box down below to shop with them now, and don't forget to like this video. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching and I love you. Bye.